Unlock the power of Pro Coinbase and elevate your crypto trading game with this comprehensive guide. First, let's tackle account setup. If you already have a regular Coinbase account, you're halfway there. Pro Coinbase uses the same login credentials. If not, head to coinbase.com and create an account, completing the identity verification steps. Next, securely link your bank account or preferred funding source to your Coinbase account. This is crucial for depositing funds to trade with. Now, let's move funds over to Pro Coinbase. This is where you take advantage of the lower trading fees. Simply navigate to the transfer section within Pro Coinbase and move funds from your Coinbase wallet to your Pro account. Time to understand the trading interface. Pro Coinbase offers advanced charting tools. Learn to read candlestick charts, understand volume, and identify trends using technical indicators like moving averages. Master different order types. We have market orders for instant execution at the best available price. Limit orders allow you to set a specific price you're willing to buy or sell at, offering more control. Protect your investments with stop-loss orders. This crucial risk management tool automatically sells your crypto if the price drops to a certain level, limiting potential losses. Diversify your portfolio to further mitigate risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep an eye on fees. While Pro Coinbase offers lower fees than regular Coinbase, understanding the fee structure is essential for maximizing your profits. With these tips and consistent practice, you'll be well on your way to navigating Pro Coinbase like a pro, making informed trading decisions, and optimizing your strategies for the dynamic world of crypto trading. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth crypto tutorials.